messages for you are from Spirit in regards to love for the month of March. A lot of disappointment here. Temperance in reverse. Ace of Wands. Eight of Wands. King of Pentacles. Wheel of Fortune in reverse. The Magician. Three of Cups. The Emperor in reverse. Okay, so we have Seven of Pentacles. The High Priestess in reverse. Page of Pentacles in reverse. Queen of Cups in reverse. Ace of Swords. And the Death card. Okay. So what this looks like to me is you guys were dealing with a connection with a person who is very imbalanced, okay? I don't want to say mental disorder. It could be for a few of you guys, but I feel like this is more of serious nature. So I feel like you guys are with someone or have someone in your energy field who puts pain upon you, okay? So I feel like you guys are dealing with someone who has disappointed you, very much so. I feel like this person is very extreme. I feel like they don't know how to balance their emotions. I feel like 1 minute they'll be all lovey-dovey, and the next minute they'll just like flip, like Dr. Jekyll and Miss Hyde. I feel like, again, I keep feeling this overwhelming sensation that this person has really hurt you, mind, body, and soul. I feel like a lot of you guys, and I think I got this in my last connection with you, a lot of you guys may have been dealing with someone who could have been physically abusive, okay? And just know that's never okay. But I feel like with the Ace of Wands, you guys are focusing on your desires, and your own happiness. A lot of you guys are trying to work and heal from a past connection and trying to focus on your passions in life. But I wouldn't urge anyone to get into a new relationship because I have the Temperance in reverse here, that Sagittarius energy. I just wouldn't. I feel like right now you guys need to focus on what you need in life and healing in life. Spirit, why did the Three of Swords come out? Why is this here? And also because the Three of Swords is upright, I feel like that's current energy. So you guys haven't healed from this disappointment. I feel like you guys are taking back control of your life now with the wheel here. I feel like what happened was fated to happen, like it was inevitable. I feel like a lot of you guys are still in this situation and have not... Yeah, a lot of you guys have not left this person. You still have a tie to this person with the Eight of Wands here in reverse. A lot of you guys are waiting for the right time to move on. So a lot of you guys have not moved on from this person and you're waiting for the right time. Because this person is very extreme. I feel like right now you guys are looking towards other things in your life that will fulfill you. But yeah, I definitely see that a lot of you guys may not have moved on from this person or might still be tied to them because of finances. This might be someone who is a provider. But I feel like you guys are, like I said, waiting for the right time to leave. You feel like it's just you guys are having bad luck right now in life. You guys feel like... I feel like you guys are someone who's very generous in your life. You guys give a lot. You guys overexert yourself. With the Eight of Wands, I feel like you guys are... Some of you are longing for communication from an earth sign. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn is also what I'm feeling, okay? So some of you guys might be in another connection that's toxic, and you would rather be with another person who you see as more fulfilling, but it's not a good time right now. Is also what I'm sensing. So that's for some of you, okay? But I feel like, for the most part, a lot of you guys are tied to a connection because of finances as well. Spirit, why is the Eight of Wands here? Yeah, because there's a lot of emotional unbalance in that connection. So even if you guys have not physically separated, you have already emotionally detached yourself from this connection. Why is the King of Pentacles here? Yeah, you guys, I feel like a lot of you guys want to move on to a new person, but you're doubting yourself, you're doubting if you can make the connection work. I feel like a lot of you guys are insecure, and that could be due to the fact that someone has, like, oh my god, like, someone has, like, not, I mean, a few of you have had physical abuse, but some of you guys had verbal, what is it called? Mental abuse. So I feel like a lot of you guys had someone who talked down to you or put you down, and it has made you insecure in life. And I feel like a lot of you guys are waiting for the right time to leave, but you're feeling like luck is not on your side. I feel like this person you guys are dealing with is very cold. Some of you guys may have been dealing with someone who, like I said, they have a bad temper, they could be abusive, they could be hot and cold. Um, I feel like this person is, if you guys are separated, I feel like this person wants to come back to you. But I also feel like this person was working on other situations external to you. Spirit, why did the Magician come out? Why is this here? Yeah. A lot of you guys are not, I do feel most of you guys might still be in this connection. And if you guys are in this connection, this person has isolated you from other people. This person may have isolated you from friends so that you cannot go anywhere. Oh my god. Who is this person? Who is this person? Like, I'm literally thinking the devil's gonna pop out any minute upright. Because I'm not liking this energy that I'm sensing right now. I feel like you guys are dealing with someone who is abusive and tried to isolate you. I feel like this person isolated you from your friends and family. Oh my god, like, I'm getting emotional right now just reading this. Like, if anyone's ever hurt you guys, I'm very sorry. Yeah. King of Swords. This person was not emotional. This person was someone who was just very stern. I keep saying not emotional, but I feel like this person is someone who, man, like, very serious demeanor. Very serious. Like, they're the kind of person that, you know, they want their clothes hung up a certain way. They want their pants ironed. Things like that. Why is the King of Swords here upright? Someone who's very disciplined. And with the Chariot in reverse, I feel like this is someone who very aggressive, and they don't, I feel like they're two-faced in a sense, too. Like, I feel like this person, in a sense, like, they put on this demeanor to people that everything is under control, but I feel like behind the scenes, this person was very, like, how do I say this? Lack of control, like, lack of self-control. And I feel like it's very emotionally, like, they're very serious in public, very serious demeanor, but I feel like this person had no filter and could not control their temper. And if it wasn't their temper, it was other things. But I'm feeling overall this person's very cold. I feel like this is a very long-term relationship, so a lot of you guys have really worked hard on this relationship and view it as an investment. So, Spirit, why is the Seven of Pentacles here? Yeah, this was, some of you guys may have been married to this person or had children with them, with the King of Wands here, with this person. I always say this person because I don't want to say he or she, in case you guys are wondering. With the King of Wands in reverse here, this is someone who is seeking attention from other people as well. Why did the King of Wands come out in reverse? Too many. That was a Judgment in reverse. So I feel like this person has made a lot of bad decisions in their life. High Priestess just showed themselves to me, so I feel like this person had a lot of secrets from you as well. Could have been a mistress. Why is the King of Wands in reverse here? Oh yeah, King of Wands in reverse. My God. Oh my goodness. You guys are dealing with someone who's very overbearing and emotionally detached. I feel like this person was giving to other connections as well. See how we go from the Knight to the King? That's what I mean about imbalance here with this person. A lot of imbalance. With the High Priestess in reverse, I feel like for the longest time, you guys were ignoring red flags. I feel like also this person, like I said, they tried to isolate you from people. And I feel like for this very reason, you guys repressed how you really felt. But I feel like there's a lot of secrets in this relationship. Why is the High Priestess here in reverse? Yeah. Two of Cups in reverse. So there could have been another relationship that was hidden from you. If that wasn't it, I feel like there was just a lot of, there was like no trust in this relationship. It was very imbalanced, poor communication. A lot of secrets though. I feel like with the Page of Pentacles here in reverse, you guys are dealing with someone who's very, not like greedy. I feel like this person like didn't put enough commitment into your connection, so now you guys are no longer trying to be in this commitment. I feel like you guys don't really care. Spirit, please clarify the Page of Pentacles in reverse. Why is this here? Why is the Page of Pentacles? There we go. I feel like this situation has to end in order for a new beginning to enter your life. I feel like you guys know this, that changes need to be made in your life. But I feel like a lot of you guys still feel tied to this person because of money. A lot of you guys could still be tied to this person because of money. I feel like you guys are getting clarity on the situation, that it definitely has to end. You're searching for the truth. But I feel like with the Queen of Cups here, this person is very manipulative, emotionally manipulative. And I feel like some of you might be dependent on this person. I feel like you guys no longer want to offer your emotions to this person. Like, you know it has to end. But you're waiting for the right time, because right now things are down and out and you have luck is not on your side right now. Spirit, why is the Queen of Cups in reverse? Yeah. You guys no longer want to give to this situation. This is Taurus Libra energy. So this could be you guys. But I feel like you guys are no longer wanting to give to the situation. You see no future. You see no growth there. No room for expansion. Why is the Ace of Swords here? You guys are being very careful though. A lot of you guys know that the situation needs to end, but you're trying to be very careful and plan it out correctly because you want to avoid a disaster, is also what I'm sensing. So I really feel like a lot of you guys know the situation has to end, but you're waiting for the right time because you know what this person is capable of. And I hate that I have to say that. I just hate that I have to say that. Yeah. You guys know that this person is deceptive. You guys know that this person has lied to you. And you guys are rethinking your approach and coming clean to yourself. You're no longer lying to yourself and saying that everything is okay. With the Seven of Swords in reverse, you're being honest to yourself, okay? So that's beautiful energy. Let's see what messages we have for you guys in regards to love. Turbulence. Now is not the time to make any career changes, large purchases, or moves. Severe turbulence indicated for the next 8 days. Make good choices and wait out the storm. Yes, I keep saying this. A lot of you guys just need to be patient and don't act too quickly. If you guys are in immediate danger, of course, definitely do something about it. But I feel like you guys just need to be very careful in your planning to escape. To not escape, but like to leave this connection. I feel like you guys wait out the storm right now. You guys really need to be careful in your decision, and you guys need to choose wisely. But I feel like you guys will with the sword here. There you go. Alpha female. Alright, so this is for some of you ladies. This card represents a very powerful female that will be coming into your life within the next 12 months. This person could change your life. She could be a stockbroker, lawyer, doctor, real estate agent, or benefactor. She will not be a lover. This interpretation only applies when it shows up in the shuffle spread. So I'm feeling like there's someone around you that can definitely help you guys. And I love how it said lawyer, because I feel like a lot of you guys are in a connection that's long term. It might be a marriage that you guys will need to seek out counseling for a divorce. But I feel like there is, if you guys ever feel alone, I feel like a lot of you guys have felt isolated. The person that you were dealing with isolated you from your friends. But just know that there is help out there. There is someone that can help you, okay? Yeah, let your friends help you. Ask for and accept support from others. So if you guys feel like you guys cannot talk to people because you guys don't want to feel judged, okay? So a lot of you guys have kept what was really going on behind closed doors. But really, don't be afraid to let people help you. Don't worry about feeling like judging, if someone's judging you. Like, you guys got to do what's best for you. A lot of you guys really need to seek out support from others. I feel like there is someone around you that will help you. It could be a female, okay? And let go of control issues. Allow the situation to unfold naturally. So I feel like don't rush anything. Like a lot of you guys might be worried because you have a child with this person, okay? I feel like you guys are in your head about the situation, but you need to just be careful, okay? Don't overthink this. Don't try to control it too tightly. I feel like the truth will come to you. You guys are being very careful and trying to avoid a disaster with this person. But just be, don't rush your decision. Unless it's immediate danger, don't rush a decision. Be very careful with your planning, okay? It says rest and relaxation is essential. We all have a fundamental need to take breaks. So I feel like you guys are just exhausted from this whole situation. Really don't forgive to nurture yourself. You can never serve from an empty plate. I feel like if you guys do end this connection, I don't want you guys to jump into another relationship. I feel like you guys just need to take a break and put time and focus your energy on yourself. I feel like you guys are just